Ship tour of 11228. This is a spa room with spa benefits, which you'll see here in a minute. Come in. This is interior room. Currently the beds are split apart into two. A good amount of room. No vanity area. Took a quick look. All information. 2 US plugs and 1 European. Got our dresser. You got 4 of these total. Bottom one being the deepest. And the Serenity room is special Serenity towels, complimentary. A little glimpse of me, and some more of those. Breakdown of the spa benefits right there. So you get a good view of that. Thermal Suite passes is my favorite. Just down below. Your locker. Your cooler. People think it's the fridge. It's more of a cooler. It keeps cool things cold. But things that are hot may take forever to stay hot. First of your 3 closets. Get your storage area. Then another spa room benefits. Your nice spa robes you have in your room. Oh, slippers. I forgot about that. Never had to stay in the spa room before. My first. You have a third closet. And this one has your standard bathroom. And that's the overview of the room. Other spa benefits will be listed online. And I'll do a separate review of those. Alright. Oh, you know what? I forgot about this. Got 2 more storage areas.